everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing the Sister James competition. So if you guys haven't heard of it, it's a competition where like you do your makeup for like, well, it's not a 5 minutes makeup, it's like a 5 minutes long video, and then you have to create a video and talk about yourself. Anyway, we're just gonna get started to it. And also please excuse like my bare face and hub pimple right here, because girl, I am in love. I've been single my whole life, period. But that doesn't mean I wasn't a hoe. And someone told me to do this, and also I wanted to do this because it's such a huge opportunity. Let me just tell you, like, girl, you don't even know. This is like a huge opportunity for a lot of like us people who love makeup. Anyway, let's just get into the video. Also, please excuse my eyebrows. My eyebrows is really bushy, but anyway, let's get started. Okay, hi, my name is Sam, aka Sammy. I am 19 years old. I live in Virginia. I'm originally from the Philippines. I moved here when I was 10 years old. I moved from a small village in the Philippines, so when I moved here I didn't know how to speak English, so it was hard for me. So now we're just into my eyeshadow. I feel so bad because I do not have the Sister James palette. I know y'all be like, bitch, what the fuck? I always wanted it, but bitch, I'm fucking broke. I started doing makeup around when I was 6th grade. The reason why I started doing makeup was because I used makeup as the way to make myself more confident. So in 6th grade I started just, you know, powder. The more I become more confident of myself, I started doing more like foundation. I started doing my eyebrows. I started, you know, like mascara, eyeliner, and stuff like that. I've been doing makeup for a few years. I wasn't like good at that. Low-key kind of, well, actually I wasn't even okay, girl. I was just not good, but like I think I got better over these years. I'm currently in high school right now. I am a senior in high school. I'm supposed to be graduated last year, but when I was first moved here when I was in 5th grade, I didn't know how to speak English, so I got held back. Oh my god, it's so freaking hard to do this little cloud in your eye. Okay, so first of all, I started YouTube a while ago, probably like 3 years ago. I used to have a different channel. I used to have another channel, but that channel got hacked by someone. I started YouTube because of I wanted to do memories of what would I look like when I was younger, because when I was younger I didn't have a lot of picture. I barely even have pictures. So I started YouTube doing that and just, you know, for fun. And then I started doing makeup, but at that moment I wasn't very good at makeup. So my makeup skill at that moment was very slappy until I started doing reaction, and people love my reaction and stuff. So that also, if you guys didn't know, I'm actually not a girl. If you guys haven't, like, if you didn't notice, or if you guys are new to my channel, I'm actually not a girl. I'm actually a guy, and you all probably might think that I already am a transition. I actually haven't started transitioning. I won't say I'm a transgender because I haven't started my transitioning. Also, what would I do if I were to win? Like, okay, first of all, let me just say, if I just got picked to go to LA, oh my god, I would die so freaking much, because literally going to LA is like my dream come true. I only been to Virginia for most of my life. I would die to just get picked to go to LA. I think it would be amazing. Okay, let me just show you guys a technique. So if you want your foundation to be not too much, use a brush first. To use a brush to blend in your foundation to make it faster, and then use a sponge to like just kind of like smooth it in. So also, if I were to win the money, oh my god, girl, first I would do is I would freeze my sperm, because I do want to have a kids when like maybe one day when I'm older. I do want to have my own kids, and I do want my kids to have my DNA. Start that, because if you guys didn't know, if you start doing hormone, your sperm, I think, is not it's not fertile, able to make a baby. So that's what I haven't started transitioning. Because of that reason, I want to preserve my sperm first. So if I were to win, I would definitely preserve my sperm, start transitioning, and start taking hormones, and that would be a dream come true, honestly. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and this is the final look. And so yeah, I did more like a, you know, creative side. I'm not very creative, and I did like more like kind of creative but more like smoky kind of side. Let me just give you guys a close-up what it looks like. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.